Okay, got it on. Yeah. Yay.
They heard footsteps in the distance, but they weren't feet, more like paws. So they decided to listen some more. They heard scratching.
Someone about to have some sex. Sorry.
No. They heard scratching and clawing at the door. Then they heard a growl.
No shit. That's sex. That's
No.
sex. Pure dictified.
And the two people looked over. They looked out this tiny window and seen eye.
What kind of eye? What color?
It was red.
Oh, like blood? Like I'm talking about the eye color.
Blood red.
Like the actual eye.
Yes.
Not like the stuff around the eye.
Yes.
Okay. Making sure. I've read a lot of stuff on this.
Now,
Okay.
people didn't know what it was, but it moved, and it got further and further away. And as they could see, they seen paws and claws. They seen legs. And they thought it was a bear. The legs were far too skinny. But the size, they thought it was a bear. Well, they opened the door, and it turned. It was a canine head. It was a giant wolf.
Oh, folks.
And they looked around, seeing there was the only one. They thought, just one wolf couldn't have done this. There was blood all over the building. Now they looked back. The wolf turned, started running. They slammed the door shut. They turned around. The dogs were gone. They looked about where the dogs were. They looked everywhere in the house. They weren't there. But then they heard faint whines. They went down to the basement of the cabin.
I'm seeing if this is still recording.
They found a dog and two laying on the ground.
Damn. Did it kill
They
him?
went down and seen how big the dog really was.
Oh shit, they did.
Said that was a wolf. They looked at the dogs. They were laying there, frozen in fear.
Bitch.
Calm down. It's better.
I know. Like, I mean, like, bitch, yay! But, like, you know.
Yeah. Well, end up walking over. They heard even more growling. They looked up. There were eyes all around them. The door slammed shut. Everything went dark. They heard a faint laugh. So they ran back up, frantically trying to get the door open, but it was locked. Then they heard a growl on the other side. They knew someone had to do this, not a dog. So the two went back downstairs to see what the heck that was.
Mm-hmm.
All the eyes turned into heads and muzzles. All those started to turn with bodies. And they noticed they were surrounded by wolves everywhere.
Shit. It's a shit storm coming your way.
Then two walked down the steps.
They fucked up.
They looked around for possible escape. There was only one, but a window. They tried running to it. The guy got knocked down by a wolf.
Oh, bitch.
The wolf tore into his back, scratching, clawing, and tearing his way into his flesh.
Yay!
And then the girl decided to scream and run. She got to the window, but as soon as she got to it, a figure appeared.
Oh, she
It
fucked
was
up.
like a ghost, but it wasn't.
The fuck?
Zoe's little sister. Anyways, they seen the shadow, and then it turned into a wolf.
Shit.
She climbed out the window as fast as she could, and the figure got closer. But it was not running; it was floating.
Fuck.
By this time, it had turned back into a human shape. They seen something in the distance. was another pack of wolves. That figure turned back into a wolf. It kept getting closer. She was pinned between a window and a bunch of wolves, and then another pack and a strange figure. She started walking a different way. She got into the woods. She started hearing growls, paws, just running through the leaves. She got down to the next camp. There was wolves everywhere. She got down to the next one, and one jumped her, right on the turn. She threw him off and started to run. She heard him whimper. She turned around, and that wolf turned into a guy. She didn't know what just happened, but she could not leave him there. She grabbed him by the arm and ran. They were running.
Was he naked?
Actually, I'll put that in there, actually. Yes.
He's naked. Nigga.
They got to the next camp and found some clothes for him. But by then, she had so many questions. What are you? How did you do that? Where did you come from?
I came from my mom's vagina. I'm sorry.
Stop interrupting.
I'm sorry. Continue.
So, he said, I'm a werewolf. She said, well, did you see all those wolves? Are they with you? He said, no. They're all from different packs. See, we protect Wolf Mountain. I came from that wolf figure. And she gasped at the thought. She said, my friend got killed. He was mauled by wolves in the basement, that one camp. He said, he's not dead. She started crying. And he said, he's a wolf, like us.
Aww.
She started crying. But the wolves were already catching up. He said, I will bring him to you, but for now you must leave. Otherwise you, in turn, will die. He started running, and turned around. She was just sitting there, crying. So he ended up pulling her. Before he knew it, the wolf was already on top of her. She scrambled to her feet and threw the wolf off, grabbed him, and ran. They got to the end of the forest, and he said, run. They won't be able to get me. Just run. She said, no, I'm staying here with you. So they waited. It was peaceful, and they were in a field, just before the roads. So they waited. The wolves came. But
What the heck is there?
There's yours.
Oh.
The wolves came, but they stayed on the edge of the woods, not daring to go into the field.
Shut up!
Had to check on my phone. So, they ended up walking to the edge of the woods.
You should just go grab your phone.
Yeah, I'm not trusting them.
Jesse, tell me a story. Story time.
The wolves, in turn, they did appear a little weird.
The fuck?
They turned into humans.
Okay, I gotta end the video.
Yeah.